Biara, Pepe Sikako,
Papa.
Is she there?
Yes. In the kitchen.
How about meeting this evening at the same time?
At what time?
That is about 30 minutes from now.
Oh, let's make it later in the evening.
I hope you won't disappoint me.
I will.
Okay.
I'm back.
You see, this woman is burning her alive.
Hello?
Good evening.
Oh. Quincy?
Yeah.
Come back here with you.
Yes. I told you I'm having a new air condition. I've left the electrician to fix it.
Oh, instead?
Yes.
That the boy will not steal anything.
No. Did anybody come?
Oh, yes. You have a letter on the table. So it's brought by, what? Dispatch rider.
On the dining table?
On the dining table.
Okay. I'll be expecting you up soon.
Very soon. Effie! Effie! You hear the baby crying? Like that?
Until I was outside.
Doing what?
I was getting my first things from the car.
Have you finished the ironing?
No, I want to get my first things from the car.
Oh. Effie, what happened?
I didn't see it. I was outside.
You didn't see it today. Do you think I brought you from the village to come and bury my dress? This is the 10th dress you burned this week. What's the matter with you? Get out of here. What's the meaning of all this? Why are you a witch or something? I said, get out of here. Stupid girl. Ah.
Dee! Dee!
Yes.
Please come. I'm going out to see a friend. I'll be back soon.
Oh, but the food is ready on the table.
Just keep it hot. It's business.
Oh. Okay, please drop 80 for me at my seamstresses, I beg.
That is only if she'll be ready 5 minutes.
Essie! Essie!
Yes, Auntie.
That girl has never responded on one call before.
That is your palaver.
I beg you, go and change your dress and go with Daddy. You drop you at my seamstresses so you pick my dresses up for me.
Yes, Auntie.
Please hurry up.
See if my color is okay.
Isn't it about time you left this shirt somewhere?
No, it's nice.
Sorry. Essie! Honestly, I get tired with her. I think I'll change her.
And go for who?
Yeah. Go for who, how? There are plenty of people who want the job.
She's your niece. Mind you, she's not 7. She's just helping.
I see.
Yes, Auntie. What's your number?
Where are you going dressed like this? Where are you going? To my seamstresses?
Please, she's no more a child.
And so what? She should dress like this to go to the seamstress at this time of the night.
Auntie, Sam must look neat always.
I see.
You're wasting my time, please.
I beg you, hurry up.
Now let's go.
I hope you come back soon.
Yes, Auntie.
Dressed like this.
I'll be back soon.
Always send you or ask you to drop me before we have time to come and relax someone.
Look, you get me what it is. What is the problem?
For her to continue to treat me as if I'm a maid servant who doesn't know anything.
No. She treats you like a niece. I mean...
She doesn't know that I'm her niece. She treats me like a maid servant. Simply because she has money. She doesn't own me.
She doesn't actually, but then you see, you just talking about all those things and the lifestyle.
I want you to hire a place for me so that I'll move out of the house.
You want to move out of the house? Out of the house and get your own place. Now she brought you all the way from that place. How can you just go out yourself?
I'll tell her I'm going back to my parents.
So, and when she doesn't find you back there?
It is not her business.
Oh.
If she has her money, she doesn't own me. She can have her own children and send them around.
Got to be reasonable. Okay, I'll see what I can do. I'll see my friend Bob and check if he can get me a place at his house. Maybe when he arrives.
I've missed my period.
You have what?
I said I've missed my period.
Gosh. And how many weeks is that?
3 months.
3 months? How did it take you so long to tell me?
I didn't know.
You didn't know. God. Okay, let's get rid of it and see what we have to do.
What? Get rid of it again. No. I won't.
What do you mean by get rid of it again? This is just the third time.
I might die. I don't want to do it again. I must never have a child again.
There are many children in your stomach. I mean, if you want
How
to...
do you know? Are you a magician? You have her sitting in the house. If I don't have a child, you have one.
There is something I must tell you. That woman, they own everything.
I know.
The houses, the factories, the cars, and everything. No, even me.
I know all that. She doesn't own you.
She owns me. Look,
what do you mean? Before you met her, were you not living?
Look, I was, but I wasn't the person I am today. Look, she gives me everything, even pocket money.
She doesn't own you, so don't say that. But I want the things in the house, and I know I'm very much at work.
You've got to be reasonable. I mean, let's get rid of this and then see what we can do.
I won't do it again.
Look, there is no way we can accept this thing. Should she hear of this, the two of us are dead.
That is why I want to move out of the house. And you just promised to find me a place.
Yes, but not until I've got you the place. I mean, this cannot go on. Look, there's nothing we can do unless this woman is dead. I wouldn't be free myself to move out. Please. Please. Let's get rid of it and see what we can do later.
If that's the situation, then we need to see.
What do you do? I don't do that. Which can come later.
Quincy?
Yes.
Is this the time you are coming?
Yes.
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 Where did you say you were going?
Oh, but I told you I was going to see a friend for some business.
Business?
Yes.
Like the one in your shirt?
What?
This. Quincy?
Oh, well, something else happened and you have to let me explain to you.
I see. Explain to me.
Oh, well, there was an accident and, you know, I tried to help some of the victims.
I'm a good woman to slap you.
Oh, what are you saying?
There was an accident and there was a woman and then the lipstick came on, she kissed you.
Just stop yelling at me. You see,
Don't tell me that kind of thing. You told me you went out talking about you were going on business. I should keep the food warm. Look at the time.
Well, you're the one who told me I had a letter.
And so what? And so what? You have a letter and so you're going to get lipstick free for you, or you're working. What are you talking about? Where's AC, by the way?
AC? You asked me to drop her at your sister's place.
I see, and so you don't know where she is.
Oh.
Because she has not come back.
Oh, why?
Quincy?
Yes. Anyway, the food's still on the table.
Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. Please tell me where you have been.
So you don't believe what I've just said? I told you I went on a business trip, and when I was coming, something else happened. Will you give me something?
Oh, but it wasn't my fault. You were rushing.
Whose fault was it then?
I'm sorry, I'll wash it for you.
How? What do I have to say?
I said I'm sorry, I'll
No,
wash it.
don't do that.
Hey! What is it?
Am I saying correctly?
I was just asking her why she's not coming.
Pardon?
You heard what I said. I was asking her why she's not coming.
I am your fool, you see. You're a stupid man.
How dare you say that in front
How
of...
dare me not say that? You forgotten where you came from?
Look, I'm the man of this house. You don't have
Do
to...
you remember you come from the village?
But
Why you were selling umbrellas?
everybody comes from the village.
You swine. It's not for me. Me! You still be selling umbrellas.
That is not necessary.
What
Please.
is necessary? Hey, where are you coming from?
And so when I came back, I was sitting in the garage waiting for Papa to come. Then I could
Is
not...
that your bedroom?
I was waiting to lock the gate.
You were waiting to lock the gate. How many times have you sat there waiting for Papa with the gate? Effie, another bill, but in fact, I don't know what I'm worried about. The two of you. You see, I forgot that your former life was house girls
yell.
and
It's still early in the
what
I mean,
you
what?
call. I have raised you up to this person you see in the mirror every day. And you have reduced yourself. You're going out with a house girl.
We are all bound to help each other. I mean, you may not
Oh,
say
I
this
see.
in front of AC. I mean, what is that?
We're all bound to help each other. So you want to help Issy? Or you want to help me?
That is not the point.
Look at his head. You've forgotten where you come from. You have forgotten so soon that I brought you up. I put money in your third pocket. You remember you have
We are
holes
bound
in your...
to help each other.
I see. It's not your fault.
Don't talk to me like
It's not
this.
your fault. You put on weight today. You can stretch your coconut to me and tell me, don't talk like that. Because of a house girl. As for you, get out of here. Right now, get out of here. Pack your things. Quick. By tomorrow morning, which is this same morning, 6 o'clock, if I catch you in this house again, you will not live to tell the story. Get out of here. Get out of here. Your mother is also a house girl somewhere else. And you, stupid swine like that, you have lowered me. You know that? You have made me cheap. You will go back to...
You know we have made us
Oh,
around.
shut up. Shut up. You stupid fool. 10 days. I will deal with you later. Oh, leave me alone. What do you want? Go back to Oasis, please. Please, what? I don't like that.
Oh, please, please.
I don't like that.
Please, please.
Look, wait now. Tell me. What is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what?
You see, you get on my nerves when I'm serious and then you want to laugh.
No, you see,
how can you go out with this?
Please. You see, I didn't go out with her, but like she said, she was at the gate when I came.
I don't like that. I don't like that. So you mean all these many years that I tried to bring you up as a human being?
Oh, please, please. I mean, you need not say this.
I know that you are used to house girls. I mean, after all, that was your class, you see. But now people respect us. I mean, look at all our friends that we have in big, big places. You know that just 3 months ago, or when was it? There was some scandal about her and the houseboy next door.
Yes.
Then you are going out with my house girl. Supposing she gets pregnant.
She wouldn't.
By the way, you remember, don't you, that she is my cousin's daughter. Supposing she gets pregnant.
You see, that is why I have come.
Supposing she gets pregnant. What do I tell them? What kind of scandal is that? Why are you like that, eh?
Quincy, that is why I have come to explain.
Are you coming to speak the truth, or you're coming to hide it in your cheek and look at me and tell lies?
Okay, just forget about everything, and then let's stay together absolutely.
I should forget about everything.
Yes.
What sort of apology is that?
You see, actually...
You see, the trouble with you is you don't respect.
Please, you forget about
it. No, I don't like that. Don't worry me. Go away.
So you wouldn't forgive?
Do you want to speak the truth? Or you're just coming to sit down here and talk about forgive?
No.
When I tell my...
Okay, you see, the truth is...
When will you stop this attitude? Don't you have any shame?
Please, just take it.
Don't you want to get along in life? Why humiliate me like this?
Please.
You know Effie doesn't respect me. She doesn't even like the baby. Huh? How can you do something like this? You make me feel very small. Is there any wonder when I talk, she talks back to me?
Please, don't make too much noise. There are people around, please.
So you know there are people around. Look, if she does not leave the house by tomorrow morning, you yourself will follow. That's one point I must get clear. I don't want her in this house again. I don't like any trouble.
What is that?
Come, the tap. I hear the tap. Quincy.
choose my wife, Tracy.
You said it's the last thing. You said it's the last thing. You said it was the last thing. It's all over. Let's bury the past and look into the future. To send out grooming like this every day won't help.
What do you expect me to do then?
I expect you to cheer up, of course. What's my use in the house if you have to sit by yourself and look so gloomily and moodily every day?
You expect me to go about laughing, or what?
At least when you're in the house, this is your own house. When you're in the house, I expect you to cheer up. I mean, make you feel wanted and
I've
great.
lost my wife, and as long as this thing is on me, traditionally, that should be my posture.
Traditionally, yes, but you don't owe it to anybody in the house now. There's just the two of us here.
Okay, if that is what you want.
Don't say that I've said you don't also want to.
I'll be smiling as from tomorrow.
Why not now? I like that. Tracy, I had my period this morning.
Eh? What do you mean? You had your what?
I said I had my period this morning.
How?
It wasn't my fault. What is how?
God.
Did I essentially ask you to come?
Now I know.
Now you know what?
Look, Effie, are you sure what you told me was correct? That you missed your period?
Ah, but what I
Look,
said is
you
right.
know it is because of this that my wife died. And now that you've had your period, what next?
Well, we can begin again. I'm here. That's the most important thing. Can't we start all over again?
Yes, we can.
Why are you behaving like that? Please, don't be doing such things to me.
Comfortable. Oh, Chrissy. What do you say? It's so fine. What actually happened? I mean, why did you decide to stop writing?
No, nothing happened. It wasn't anything serious. I remember I wrote 2 letters and you did not reply.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Look, when you went away,
yeah.
you wrote to me. I replied.
Mm-hmm.
Then you wrote again, telling me you would travel from where you are, so that I should expect another, what do you call it?
Yes, that's what I did right. I did right. What about your girl? What's her name?
Yakwa. You have to see her. Look, she's going beautiful day in and day out. You love to see her.
She must be a very big girl.
Yes.
Oh, Yaka. And the mother. And how is she?
She's fine.
She must have gray hair too. Like you.
Yeah, Frank, I must tell you something. She's dead.
What are you telling me? What are you doing?
She is dead. Through a domestic accident. Oh, that is when you stopped writing.
So you could have found a way of getting me to know.
I tried. You see, Frank. It was in such a, a rough manner that let's brush it off and, 10 years ago, I mean, man is born to die, so.
Are you married again?
Oh, yes, of course. I am. I married her niece, the girl who was staying with us. 1850.
How could you have done that? There was no other alternative. No, what do you mean by no other alternative? Why did you go? Wasn't she living with you?
She was.
And she was a small girl.
But she isn't now. Frank, let's brush that thing off and...
Oh, come on. You acted in a very strange way. I mean, how could you have...
Whatever it was, I've done it, and let's brush that issue off and see what we can do else.
So how do you feel about the wife?
How do I feel? You think I'm happy? No, I'm not. But she's dead, and I cannot bring her back to life. So just mourn and then enjoy it. That's all. Maybe now that I have a wife, you don't expect me to think about her again. Are you free this afternoon anyway for lunch?
Yes.
But cheer up, Frank, cheer up.
She helped me get my ticket. And this is my time. I mean, I just can't...
Well, traditionally you can visit the cemetery and then say what you can say.
That might be it. Anyway, are we going with it?
We who?
Your second. She's
Frank, are you the old Frank I know?
What else? I mean, but with a different motive altogether. I mean,
Look, listen. I don't go out with my secretary.
and I am.
Okay. Go along.
Is that right?
Frank. Look here. What is going on?
Well, I'm watching TV. You can see that.
And what is the girl doing?
Finishing the chore she started. What else?
At this time?
Is she a princess? Oh.
Were you working at this time of the night when you were young?
Were you there when I was her age? Were you there when I was her age? Do you know the kind of things I was doing when I was her age?
Is he?
I'm just training her for you, and then you have to get at me like this every time.
You are being unfair.
How?
Yes.
I'm not being fair, you see.
Remember. Remember.
It's wide ears. Never mind.
Thank you.
I don't like you're hammering at me every time you see this girl working. She just grew up to be a lazy girl. I'm training her for you, and if you don't like it, fine.
Yaka. Give it to me.
No.
No, she won't beat you. Go and sleep. Good night.
There's something I want to ask you. What do you say about her? And her behavior these days?
Honestly, this is the problem.
Oh,
I don't understand her attitude.
I find her very serviceable these days. That is why I asked you.
You find her serviceable?
Very, very serviceable.
That's funny. I have to call about 3-4 times before any answer.
So it is the calling.
But didn't you see? I don't know if it was the latest fashion. There is many.
Okay, don't worry. It's just about something else.
at this thing. Since I left to go and see my friend off.
Oh, Mom, you told me...
And still, I told you to what? I told you to finish this about 45 minutes ago. And you are still here doing this thing. You haven't even watched one thing to one. What excuse you are telling me now? I said what? Hey, are you hearing me? I said what? What did I say?
From the bathroom.
That was in the morning.
That was
very early when I woke you up from bed. That was the first thing I told you to do. You haven't finished that. You have left come and do the work. And you are still at this one. I don't want... Look, you just want to name me a very bad woman. That is all you want to do. And I'm not going to give you a chance because I want you to grow up and know what to do in your house in future. What kind of laziness is this? And you said to do that. Who should do it? Tell me, who should do that job? You can do this in 30 minutes. You can do that 1 hour. Yeah. Can you live your life like this? You think if this is how I was going on in this house, I'll be where I am today? Go and ask, and you'll be told the kind of work I used to do in this house. Dare you not finish this in 30 minutes, and see what I'll do to you. Before I come out of that room, you should finish it and it should be on the line. When are you going to finish these dishes? When are you going to finish the dishes?
But that's what I was doing when you asked me to do the ironing.
Can't you finish one thing before you start the other? How many minutes will it take you to finish it? How many minutes? Huh? Do you have to sit there one way with so many hours before you finish? Look, I'm going to the hairdresser before I come back to finish all these things. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yes, Mom.
Let me come and find these things here and the pineapple fruit there. You see what I'll do to you. I haven't seen any kind of this laziness anywhere. So. Oh. Ow. Have you seen her? Do you know how much I want to? I don't know what my life. What kind of a country is
What is going on there?
Hello. What is happening? Are you looking for something? Your money? Oh, how did it get lost? But, okay, how much? 3,000. Oh, no problem. Sit down. Oh, no. I'll give you the money. Just sit down. It's 3,000 cedis. It's nothing. I'll give you the money, eh? Oh, sit down. You sit down. Look, I'll give you the money. But you know what we are going to do? You're a nice girl. Very beautiful. And, you know, your boyfriend must be happy with you, I suppose. Right? You have a boyfriend. You don't have a boyfriend. Then what is happening to you? Eh? Look, come. Look, listen. I'll give you the money. Look, money is no problem to me. I'll give you the money, but you listen to me. You know one thing. It's 3,000 cedis. 3,000 cedis is no money. But listen. Look, I want us to... Look, lady, listen. Look, listen, I'll give you the money, but you can come. Come. It's such a nice girl. You don't have to behave like that. Huh? 3,000 cedis is no money. Oh. I saw this here, 100,000. 3,000, I can give you 10 times. And you are... Some girls don't like money at all.
Matter? Why are you crying? Huh?
My money is missing.
How much? How did you lose it?
I don't know. I was supposed to pay for something when I realized that the money was no more in the basket.
It's okay. Maybe somebody picked it. Don't cry, okay?
My mother will beat me.
Your mother will beat you? No. She won't beat you. I'll give you the money, okay? Look, I'm not a stranger. You don't know me, but I know you, okay? You just take this. I'm your mother's auntie. Come, take it. It doesn't matter, okay? When you go, tell your mother you met her auntie and that I say I will come and visit her one of these days, okay?
What is your name?
Don't worry about my name. But tell her, I say, blood is blood. Okay?
Where's Ma?
She's at the kitchen.
She's not there.
Then she may be up there.
She's not there either.
Then I don't know where she is.
Okay. When somebody says blood is blood, what does it mean?
Of course, blood is black.
No, Daddy, you don't understand. You see, I met this woman in the market. This is Mommy's auntie. Okay, what happened was the money Mommy gave me got missing.
Got missing.
Then I was crying when this woman came to me, and she gave me 10,000 instead of the 3,000.
10,000.
She said she knows me, but
You don't know her.
and that she's Mommy's auntie. That was when I asked her name, and she told me blood is blood. Then she held my dress, and she was just looking at me. That was when I realized she was mad or something.
And what happened again?
She said, blood is blood. I should send her regards. And he said, she will be paying you visit one of these days.
Can you describe her?
Yes. She's fat. Yes. She has big eyes.
Deep voice.
Yes. Ah, Daddy, do you know her? Very good
Yes,
voice.
she may be one of your mother's aunties.
That is that I can't. That's when I realized that she was gone.
Gone?
Yes. I looked around. I didn't see her. Then the money she gave me,
This is the balance.
the balance. Mommy gave me 3,000 to buy the thing. Here's 7,000 to do.
Okay, keep it safely. Don't let your mommy see, eh?
Yes, Daddy.
Keep it.
Okay.
And go to the kitchen and start doing something. Could it be Dinah? No. Don't believe her. Don't believe her. After 10 years. How? No. I mean, how? No, just a dream.
What?
Yes.
Oh, you frightened me. Are you alright?
Yes, I am.
Chris, are you alright?
Yes.
Are you sure? You're sweating.
Yes.
Tell me what's wrong.
Yes, it's just a dream. Oh. Get me something to wipe the sweat.
I was happy.